Okay, hi everyone, welcome back to this video series on Windows Server 2016. In this video, I want to do the setup and configuration for this virtual machine. So we'll start off with control panel. And I want to go into view network status and tasks. Here I want to click on Ethernet. I want to click on properties. And here I want to click on TCP IPv4. And I want to set a static IP address. So I'm going to give it the IP address of 192.168.0.2. One 192.168.0.1, and I want to set the DNS for as 208.6722222, and then we click on OK, click on close and close. Now, next thing I want to do is I want to change the computer name to server 4. So I'll click on this PC, click on properties, or sorry, right click. Then we click here on properties. And we click on advanced system settings. And we click here on computer name, and we're going to call it server 4 because I already have a server on my network called server 1. And I just want to check again, and I want to click here on computer name. I want to click here on change, and I want to rename it server 4. And then we click on OK. And the server then will restart. Click on close and click restart now. Okay, so now I want to click on insert Control Alt Delete. Type in my password. So in this part of the video now, I want to set up Active Directory. So just wait for Server Manager to load. And now we click on Add Roles and Features. Okay, we'll just have to give it another minute. So just to finish while it's collecting inventory. Okay, now we can do it. So I click here on Add Roles and Features. Just pull that down. So here we'll click on Next. So it's a role-based feature installation. So just here click on Next. So here we click on Active Directory Domain Services, click Add Features, and click Next, click Next, click Next, and click Install. So just give it a minute or two to work to set up. Okay, so now we can click here on close, and I want to click on add roles and features again. Now I want to click on next. It's role based and feature installation. Click next, and the next thing I want to install is DNS. And click add features. Click next, and next, and click on install. And then we click on close and pull up here, and we click here on this exclamation, and we click on promote this to a domain controller. So we'll call our domain CRH.local. So it's root domain, so it'll be CRH.local. And click on next. And here we just type in a password for recovery. Then click on next and click next. And then we just click next again. And just click next. Click on next. And then we just click on install. And then it says that's fine. And then we click here on close. And what I want to do now is I want to reboot the server so changes take effect. Click here and click on restart. Okay, sorry that took so long. It just takes a few minutes to set up and configure. So I want to press Insert Control Alt Delete. I'll put in my password. So I'll just wait for Server Manager to load. And the next thing I want to do then is I want to set up a user account in Active Directory. So I click here on Start, Windows Administrative Tools. And I click on Active Directory Users and Computers. It'll take a minute or two to load. Right, so I'm going to close this back one. So we click here on crh.local, click on users. I'm going to click here, new user. And I want to call the first name John, last name Burke. And then we click here on next. And we'll just set a password. And then we click on next and finish. So this concludes my video for this virtualization setup and configuration of Windows Server 2016. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something. And if you like listening, please consider like, sharing and subscribing. Thank you.